It's your girl Robin, and we're back at it again with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got these bombshell curls in this unit that was sent to me by Asteria Hair. If you guys want to see how I got this bomb look, go ahead and keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. I get hate comments about my baby hairs all the time, like on social media. People just think they're so big, and like it just makes me want to make them even bigger, to be honest. But I think they look really cute like their teeth. So here is the hair. The highlights in this hair is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I cannot get enough. I'm so excited to see how it looks curled. I'm gonna be using my Barrel Curl Iron. I think this is a Conair. So I'm going to be spraying my beach tripping spray before I go ahead and curl. So I'm gonna be sectioning out, spraying the beach tripping. I'm also gonna be using some clips to pin curl the curls in place, and then after, to finish it off, I'm gonna be using my Sebastian Shaper spray. It's a very light hold spray. I'm gonna try to make this as detailed as possible so that you guys can get a really good look on how I'm curling my hair. I am only gonna show one side because I'm making a little TikTok and whatnot, so I want to curl the other side on there. But guys, it is really simple and we're just gonna go through it step by step, so let's get into it. So we're gonna start off, we're gonna spray our texture spray, brush it out. Because this is my left side, I'm gonna be turning the barrel to the left. I'm gonna grab the hair and turn it to the left. Get this hair on the other side and grab it this way. And I start to push that clamp so that I can pull down the barrel, and I'm gonna reverse it up, roll it up, click, click, click to roll down, roll it up, click, click, click. Keep clicking the handle until you get to the very bottom and all the hair is inside the barrel, and then roll up. And then you just hold that. I hold it, I don't know, I would say about 15-20 seconds so I can make sure it's nice and cooked. And then once I release the barrel and take the curl out, I spray it with my Sebastian Shaper spray. It's super simple. It does take a lot of practice if you're not used to curling your hair. So I wanted to kind of make this detailed video because this lady had dropped a comment on my video talking about some, you was just moving too fast and da 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 da. And I get that. Just slow the video down. I think I'm gonna leave this in real time so that you guys could see and get the motion of it. So just so that it could be more detailed. So I'm gonna let go of this curl, and you see the curl is perfect. I'm gonna use my Sebastian Shaper spray. I have these clips. I feel like they came with some hair at one point, but they have like this rubber that helps grip the hair. So I'm going to cup the curl in my hand. I'm gonna cup it all the way up, and I'm gonna grab it and twist it away from my face and pin it up. So now that's pinned, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just continue this. I'm not gonna talk because I just want you guys to watch the motion and get it. It's easier to watch the motion and pick it up that way than for me to keep on explaining it. So if you guys need to back up, go ahead and rewind. If you guys need to slow the video down, slow the video down. But yes, I'm not gonna speed it up so you guys can really see what's really going on.
That's nasty, baby.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, I just begun. I ain't giving out no nutty to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Other man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like a Prego. Beat around with nigga called Petro.
Alright y'all, so I got the curls all taken down. They look perfect. So I'm happy about that. I think they're gonna come out really cute once I brush them out. But I put some makeup in my part. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my black spray just to crisp my part up a little bit because I just want it to be a little bit more perfected. So that's that done. I'll brush this side out for you guys and then I'll brush the other side out for my little TikTok. How about that? Oh, that looks good, y'all. Oh, that looks good. Okay, I'm going to, oh my God. Okay, yeah, that looks good. I'm gonna brush out the rest of my hair and yeah. All right, you guys, this is the completed look. This is what we came up with. Y'all, what is tea? I love this color. I think this color is so pretty, like, but it's so like understated. It's not doing too much. It's doing the least and getting the absolute most. I definitely feel like the blonde will pop a little bit more in other people's units just because I did have to section out the front. Okay, hold on. Let's get into the melt. Let's get into the melt real quick. Let's talk about a melt, y'all. The melt made me lose my train of thought. The melt made me forget what I was about to say. Like what? Asteria, y'all did y'all thing. Okay, period. I genuinely don't even know what I was gonna say before. Oh, I was gonna say that there was more blonde in the front of the unit, but I did have to cut into the front to match my hairline. You guys know that I have a low hairline, so it goes back up here and then comes down further down here. So I feel like the blonde will be more pronounced in other units, but I love it. Oh my god, I love it. This wig did come pre-curled, so it came pre-curled. It had a part in it, but I did go ahead and wash it and condition it because that's just what I like to do, and then I recurled it for you guys. But y'all, this is bomb. I will say that you get a lot of parting space. As you can see, it goes very far back in the middle, but on the sides you do only have like about 1.5 inches, I think maybe 2 inches of parting space on the side, so do keep that in mind. But it does still look really good. It still looks amazing. It's holding a curl very well. I did not straighten it. I let it air dry, and then I just kind of like, I got this, like, it's like a straightening and blow dry brush that I used just a little bit. It didn't really get the hair super silky. I wanted it to keep some of its texture so that it could give us very beautiful, like, voluminous curls. And I hope the breakdown of how I curl helped you guys out. If you guys need any more help with that, let me know. If you guys want another video, let me know. This is gonna be my New Year's hair, and I absolutely love it. It's such a nice length. I did not have to cut it. Front pieces are cut to give you those face frame and bangs. So guys, this is just bomb. Like, this is just bomb all the way around. So if you guys want to purchase this wig, go ahead and check it out in my description box. I'll have all the information there. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you Asteria Hair for sponsoring this video, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one.